Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Golden Apple and Rise of Kingdoms. Unlocks a mission requiring you to complete the metallurgy research. Once the research is finished, an event will trigger where villagers visit your city and reward you with a golden apple. After receiving it, you'll gain a quest that lets you offer the golden apple to a roaming commander within your kingdom. To complete this smoothly, ensure your commanders are idle and not assigned to gathering or other activities, as this increases your chances of completing the objective faster. Keep in mind that the roaming commander you encounter is randomly selected, so you cannot manually choose which commander receives the item. By meeting these requirements and finishing the event quest, you can successfully use golden apples and gain their in game benefits. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.